Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to nest imported shapes or parts, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. And we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. And now in order to import DXF files or nest your imported files, we're first going to have to start a new little project. So I'm just going to add a sheet. I get 2000 by 1000 and the beam diameter I'm just going to set to 1 for now. Now with our project opened, what we want to do is we want to go here to open file. So instead of file flat part, we want to go open file. Then you want to navigate till you find the shape or vector shape that you want to import. I've got this star that I've created a while ago, and then I'm gonna just say select. Now when it opens this shape, it is important that you want to go to on top here to nest or quantity nest. We're going to set this one. I'm just going to set it to 2. I don't think it will fit more than 2 in here. And the rest I can leave the same. Now, if it's high detailed, you might have to go to configuration and click this art parts, and it will change the settings for you. But I'm going to just leave this off for now. Say OK. Now, with this selected, I'm going to say add, and then this should add it to our project. Now, under our project by the star, we can see there we've got the name. And we've got the quantity nesting. We've got 2 of them available. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to click nest, and then let's preview this. So we say start, and then it might run a bit depending on the quality of the files you've imported. If it's high quality, you might easily wait a minute. Otherwise, this only took us 9 seconds. So as we can see here, we've got our stars. Now, if these shapes were slightly smaller, I would say we could try get away with adding a bit of a rotation and maybe add another star. But I highly doubt we'll be able to fit 3 stars within this shape. Then once you like your settings, you could add a bit of a separation between them if you want it. But I'm just going to leave mine as is. Say OK or accept, and then our stars will be in here. Yeah, otherwise that is it how we import, or should I say nest imported files. It's pretty straightforward. It's similar to flat parts. The most important part is when you finally add it to say the quantity nesting instead of manual quantity. So then, but yeah, otherwise that is it on this tutorial. We had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.